we're here with a new pattern launch. And I'm going to dive straight into it. Newest pattern is the lovely Sally shirt. So Sally is pattern 4 of the year. They've come in hot and fast this year.
I know.
And Sally is definitely one of those ones where there was a gap in the Sew Over It archive of patterns. And it's something that I have wanted for ages. So it seemed like the perfect time to bring out a sleeveless shirt.
Yes.
It's such a classic design for spring, summer, autumn, when maybe you want to get your arms out, you're a bit warmer, but you still want that like neat and tidy look, and a sleeveless shirt I think is just faultless for that.
Can I say something though? So I actually think that sleeveless shirts are also really good for winter because you can put like jumpers and cardigans and stuff on top of them. Well, you know, sometimes when you've got a sleeve shirt and it'll get a bit bunched.
Yes.
I actually miss it in winter as much as in... Well, I've been missing this pattern my whole life. I just love it.
This is what we want.
So I think it works all year round.
I was thinking that. I'd forgotten that. I thought, I can... Because I was thinking about Roxy jumpers. And if you choose the slim sleeve, the sleeves are slim.
Oh, yeah.
And it won't... Yeah, it won't get in the way. And you've got a little shot
on top. Yes.
So scratch that, it's all year round pattern. So Sally is really, really classic shirt design. You've got a proper collar stand and collar. You've got a yoke at the back, a nice box pleat. You have got a bust dart, so it's sort of easier for bust fitting across all sizes. In lengthwise, it goes over to your hips, so if you want to wear it out, it just nice sort of skims around the hip area, and you've got a really nice, really gently shaped hem. So it's just like a little bit of interest, but nothing too tricky to sew. In terms of fabric,
I mean, fabric, it's wide open, I'm going to say. You would definitely want it to be a woven fabric, and I would err on the light to medium weight side of things. I think we're both in cotton here.
Yes.
And that does just make your life easy.
Like
it's very nice and easy. Like, I would advise picking something that's going to press well. Because that's just going to give it a really, really crisp finish. But apart from that, I mean, cotton, viscose, linen, silk would be gorgeous and chic. Satin would work. I think, with those lighter ones, because you've got this box pleat at the back and you've got a bit of volume in the back. That is going to, when you tuck it in, it's going to fall so nicely over the back of your trousers. It's going to look really lush. I think it's going to look really classy. I think it's going to be lovely. And if you don't have a fabric in your stash already, we do have kits available in 4 really, really gorgeous viscose linens.
Really nice.
We're obsessed with them.
Really, really nice.
We're probably going to take one each because they're really nice. And they're like plain linens in just different colours, but to elevate the kit slightly, we've put these pigeon wishes buttons in, which have got some colour just to make it pop. I think they're super, super nice. And I also think if you chose a plain fabric, it's a really good opportunity to maybe add a bit of embroidery or a bit of personalisation, or like some piping in the collar, or just something. I mean, you could just leave it plain, obviously, that looks lovely and chic as well. But if you just wanted that as a base, and then you could really make it your own by doing something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. And I think because the armhole is bound with bias binding, and we've included some, so you can choose between cutting out bias binding from your own fabric so it matches, or you can have complementary bias binding, and then that is another way of just adding a little bit of personalisation.
Yeah, a little flash of interest. I think that's the nice thing about sewing, isn't it? Is that you've got something like fun. And the inside of your shirt is just for you, but like,
just a little secret, nice thing. But obviously you can go crazy with bold fabric choices as well. Go bright, or go like, I really want a white one. I want a classic plain white one. I think would look so nice. So there is going to be some extras on Stitch School for the Sally shirt. So I have made a Sally shirt and turned it into a dress. Sort of spring summer dress with a tie belt, which has worked out really well. And if we're completely honest, the majority of the techniques that you use on this Sally shirt, they're on Stitch School already. So any help you need with the collar, even sewing a dart, creating your own binding, sewing the binding on and joining it in the round, that's all on Stitch School.
The technique for doing the yoke is the burrito method.
Exactly, so that is all on there, and that's even if you're on the basic level of Stitch School, you've got access to all of that. So we've done kits,
Yeah.
and Stitch School. If you are going to make your own version and want to share it, and hopefully
yes.
we'll be sharing ours too, you can have a look on Instagram at the hashtag SOI Sally shirt.
Yes.
It's available in sizes 6 to 30. It is an intermediate pattern. But if you are sewing it in a cotton, that will make your life a lot easier. And obviously, if you're sewing it in a silk, yeah, that's going to be trickier.
More challenge,
it's going to be so worth it.
But go for it. Yeah,
The
seriously.
is going to be so good. So we hope you love the Sally shirt as much as we do. I'm sure you'll see more versions from us. I know Jemima's probably got about 6 to 10 fabrics in her stash.
Yeah, I'm ready. I've been ready for this for several months.
I've definitely got a few more up my sleeves, but it doesn't quite but we will be showing off our Sally shirts. We cannot wait to see yours. Please let us know what you think of the pattern. As we said, have a look at the hashtag SOI Sally shirt for more inspiration. And if you are speedy and sew yours up, please share with that hashtag as well so we can see yours, because there's nothing we love more. There will be lots more new patterns throughout the year. We've got a little deep dive into all our shirt patterns coming very soon. There are some really, really great ones, and it made us realise how much we love shirts.
I know, we do.
So if you want to see more of us on YouTube, then definitely please subscribe to our channel so you'll get a little notification every time something new pops up. But otherwise, we will see you very soon. Bye!